We have 2 thumbs up. That means drivers, hands off the controllers. 3, 2, 1, go! Here in this match, 31-657, Mechaneers on red alongside 24-928 Hyperion. Blue Alliance, the 84-17 Electric Legends alongside 23-400 U-Force.
Away we go. Chuck, my favorite robot here, coming in, scoring. 249-8 on the other side. Has released the red classifier. Blue classifier looking extra full, overflowing in fact, as U-Robotics tries to pick up a couple of those artifacts that come into their loading zone in Auton.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
Electric Legends. And U-Robotics.
2, 1.
Hyperion engaging their gate, picking up artifacts, all 3 of them as they come out. No, they just got 2, they fire 2, they land them. Going to the far spike, picking up some more. Hyperion scores again. 8417 meanwhile coming in for the Blue Alliance, clearing their gate. That was very much overpacked. That's my robot Chuck. I forgot to sit down, so I am getting targeted here. U-Robotics scoring beautifully from afar, landing 2 out of 3. That blue ramp is looking very full again. A lot of cries of get the gate from Electric Legends, and they do get it. But it's going to fill up again with U-Robotics and them collaborating well. These teams are neck and neck. Blue with a very slight lead. Game announcer getting whacked a little bit. I dodged nimbly out of the way from Blue's side. Red. Hyperion clearing the gate. Landing a couple of purple here. 31657. The other red team using their paddle shift to classify and launch. Blue kind of picking up the pace here, though Hyperion is matching them fairly closely. Red Alliance is leading now by about 20 points. The momentum seems to have shifted for Red. Blue's doing their best to answer that. 31657, jostled by U-Robotics, misses, fed by their human partners, coming in to score from their launch area. Can they score? 1, 2, nope, second one misses. Chuck seems to have separated their turret. So one of the blue robots, Electric Legends, is missing its aiming mechanism. They're going to park partially. U-Robots getting into park. 6 seconds left. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. This match is...
We have results for match 89 going on the board. It's the Blue Alliance for the victory. Score of 219 to 204. That means upward motion into the top 20 for both teams on blue with 4 ranking points.